Hadley, your grandma and grandpa just got back from Japan, didn't they?
Yes.
And they had a lot of fun. They brought you a little gift. What is that?
It's a bank.
It's a bank. It's a really cute, funny bank. And we got to show you how it works. And I think this little character on the front is called Gudetama. He's a lazy egg. He just lays around, kind of like me.
Hi.
Hi. Well, we got to show our friends how this thing works, right?
Yes.
Okay, put it down here, and you got a little coin. And what do you do with the coin?
You put it right there.
Put it right there? Okay, and oh, I already pressed it down. He says something funny. And he comes out, and then he steals it. But I don't think they saw it. So press it one more time. And then they can see it up in the camera. So if your coin's right there, he takes the coin, and then it goes inside. And I have no idea what he says, but he's awesome. It's one of your favorite toys, huh? All right, let's press it one more time. Let's have him, you do it. Have him steal your quarter.
Steal it.
Steal it. So we're gonna draw this little lazy egg. We hope you're gonna follow along with us. You got a marker and some paper. You got your marker?
Yes.
All right, you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Draw a lazy egg? Now we're gonna start by drawing his head first. We're gonna draw a curve that goes up and then starts curving down. Yeah. Then we're gonna draw his body. It curves back this way and then down even further. It looks like a big M.
Or a mountain.
A mountain. Yeah,
Or a
kind
hill.
of. Yeah, or an egg. Now we're gonna draw his little cheek. It sticks out and then comes back under. And we don't want to go too far. We want to keep this line really short here so we have room for his arm. So little cheek and then under. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now we can draw his hand, and we're gonna draw a sideways U first. So we're gonna draw a U that comes like this, just sideways U. So if you turn it this way,
It's just a U.
yeah, it looks like the letter U. That's for his hand and his arm. Then we could draw his arm coming up into his body. So a little curve going up. Then we're gonna draw the back of his arm coming up also. Yeah, there we go. Now let's draw his other hand sticking out right by his cheek.
It looks like his tongue.
Yeah, it kind of does look like his tongue. Now we're gonna draw his back leg, and it looks like the letter J. So we're gonna come down and then curve back up.
He kind of looks like a stuffed animal.
Yeah, I bet you could buy him as a stuffed animal. I'm sure, actually. Now we're gonna draw a curve that comes forward and then curves up. That's for his knee.
Forward and up.
Yeah, and then we're gonna connect his front arm to his back leg.
There we go.
There we go. We got his whole body. He looks awesome. Now we need to draw his face. So first we're gonna draw his little cheek.
Cheeky.
You're cheeky. Then we're gonna draw a curve that comes out. This is for his mouth and then back in. Then what is he missing?
His eyes.
Yeah, he's missing his eyes. We're gonna draw ovals. They look like squashed circles. And then we're gonna draw another oval over here.
And then coloring them.
Yes, and then color them in. Finished the yolk part. Now we need to draw the white part of the egg. We're gonna draw a little curve that comes down close to his arm on this side. Then we're gonna draw a big sideways U, comes out really far and then back in. Yeah. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of our egg. It's gonna come down and then back up and right. We're gonna stop right under his leg. And then we're gonna draw a big sideways U again, another one, a big one that comes way out here and then back in to his body. Adley, you did a great job on drawing your lazy egg, except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color him. He's gonna look a lot better once we color him. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you can pause it to match the same color.
Yeah.
Good job, Hadley. You finished coloring your lazy egg, and he looks awesome.
Yeah.
This is one of my favorite characters because that's what I look like on Saturday, and also sometimes on Sunday.
We hope you have lot of fun drawing your Gudetama.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.